Assalamualaikum and hi. We are from Group 1 and we will be presenting our product North Bayou NB G40 Heavy Duty Monitor Desk Mount. My name is Muhammad Azri bin Zulkhairi, EC19097, and this is my group members Adri Fahmi bin Azmi Merican, EC19101, and Muhammad Farid Naim bin Abdul Rani, PC19138. Now, moving on to our product from North Bayou, which is a monitor desk mount, or people usually call it a monitor arm. This NBG40 is a gas spring monitor mount, which is an ergonomic interactive display arm that allows you to position your monitor anywhere you need it for ergonomic comfort while working. It aids in the reduction of eyes, back, and also your neck discomfort when viewing. When you are not using your monitor, you can push it back to save space on your table. Now moving on to our product overview, which you can see on the right here is the dimension of the monitor arm. This monitor arm can have a maximum height of 20.5 inches, which is from your tabletop to the center of your monitor VESA mount. The height is adjustable up to 12.6 inches, which is a 20.5 inches maximum height and 7.9 inches minimum height. If you have a very wide table, this monitor arm can be extended up to 24.8 inches. NBG40 can be considered as a top-tier monitor arm in 2021. We will tell you the reason why part by part, starting with this fixed arm. Well, this fixed arm is a connecting joint that could adjust the position of your monitor by rotation. Starting off with its dimension, it has a 12 inches length perpendicularly, a 2 inches height, and a 1.875 inches for its body. At the connector, it is 2 inches high. When it is installed, overall, the fixed arm real height and real length is different. Well, the real height is 9 inches and the real length is 9.25 inches. So, what is the body made of? It is made of a very high quality alloy aluminum for its durability. It is colored black and it feels very hard but has a very smooth finishing touch. So what is it for? Of course, it is for to connect the mount base and the height adjust arm. Well, what makes this fixed arm so special that it needs to be introduced? Well, this fixed arm is the very reason that this monitor arm could further extend vertically up to 24.8 inches. Also, this fixed arm also comes with a cable sleeve. So this fixed arm has a joint connector, but what type is? It is a female type joint connector that comes with two M3 6mm HSA2 PC S50, which is used to hold the male type joint connector from the mount base and the height adjust arm. So how to install this fixed arm is just by unscrewing the M3 screw with an Allen key, connect it to the joint, and then just screw it back. So how to use this fixed arm? You just rotate 360 degrees either on the mount base or the height adjust arm. As I mentioned, this fixed arm comes with a cable sleeve that is 9 inches by 1.5 inches by 0.75 inches. It is made of PVC plastic, colored black, and feels very smooth on the inside but has a very rough layer on the outside. Its function is to do a cable management, which gives you a proper cable setup. To use it is very simple, as all you need to do is just take out the cable sleeve, insert your cable, and just insert back the cable sleeve. Well, that is all from me. Next, I will pass to my next member, Farid.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Farid bin Abdul Rani. My matrix number is EC19138. So today I'll be presenting and explaining some parts of the product overview from my group, which is the first group. So the first one, high adjust arm. So this high adjust arm is a part that works to adjust the height of a monitor that is placed on it. First of all, we look at it in terms of material use. It uses aluminum alloys, metals, and even plastics. It turns out that it is a strong combination in terms of compositions of material use. So, next one, in terms of the use of color, black certainly gives a beautiful and pretty great look, and most importantly, it is not easily contaminated and does not get dirty quickly. In terms of texture, there are hard parts, then there are also soft parts. For example, the hard part is in the middle of the high adjust arm, while the soft part is located at a certain joint. In addition, if focus in terms of the first advantage of this high adjust arm, the first one is the position of a monitor can be changed rotationally, which give full uh, advantage to the users. Second, the powerful gas spring is built to withstand and hold extremely heavy monitor loads. Lastly, this high adjust arm has a cable sleeve, or we call it cable slot, that facilitates users in cable management. So the next one, I'll be focusing on this cable sleeve. So this cable sleeve is a part from the high adjust arm, which is a space provided for managing cable ties that may cause some problems to users, that usually may cause problems to users. In terms of advantages to the users can manage the setup cable optimally. Directly to the use of materials, namely plastic. Plastic, which is a good insulator, is very good to use as an outer layer or second layer to cover the cable. The texture is soft and pliable. So the third one is VESA plate. So this part, or this VESA plate, is the main part to hold the monitor. This VESA plate is located at the back of the monitor. So in terms of material use, VESA plate use aluminum alloy and plastic. The black color, which of course give an image apart from being easy to keep from getting dirty. The texture is hard and soft, so the hard part is in contact with the monitor, and the soft one is the part on the joint. Next, for the advantage of the VESA plate to its user is that the first advantage is that the latest edition of VESA plate is more protected from dust as well as small sized animals from entering the VESA mount. Secondly, this VESA plate is thicker, so it will pretend to hold a larger size monitor. Uh, in addition, this VESA plate is actually latest one from the old one. There are many editions of this VESA plate. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Adri Fahmi. So I would like to continue this presentation with our next part for this model NBG40, which is mount base. So this is the mount base for NBG40, and the size of it is 5.2 inch times 4.33 inch times 4.8 inch, and made by alloy aluminum and metal. The color is black, and the texture of this part is hard and smooth. So the main function of this product, to the main base for this monitor arm, or the main part to hold the whole structure of this product from top to toe. And the benefit of this part is it has been installed USB 3.0 extension male to female extender for 1 meter long. So this is the example how to use the USB. Normally we use it to charge our phone. So next is the clamping and grommet. There are two ways to install this part. The first is desktop clamping using C clamping mounting, and the next part is grommet mounting. But we have to know that we have the requirement of the thickness of the table is between 20 to 80 millimeter. But then in addition for the grommet mounting, we have to drill a hole at least 10 to 60 millimeter. But not all desks can use this monitor arm because it can be installed if you have the PB desk, MDF desk, and also glass. So let's focus on the first installation way. So the first one is desktop clamping or using the C clamp mounting. So this is the C clamp mounting. So the dimension of it as shown 2.88 inch times 2 inch times 3.88 inch. So the material of this part is metal, rubber, and plastic. So the color is black and silver, silver for the scroll part, and the texture is hard and smooth. So the function for the desktop clamping and the grommet mounting is same, which is to hold monitor desk arm to make it stronger to hold, because if we put a load 100% on the mount base, it will fall. So we need something to tie it up and hold it at the edge of the desk, or we drill a hole using the grommet mounting. So benefit of using this part is easy to install. So next, how to install it. So this shown as DC clamping has two parts, which is the top one and the below one. So first we have to install the top one into the mount base and just screw it up. So next, just paste in the edge of the table and install the lower part of the C clamping into the above of the lower one, and just screw it up and tighten it up. So that's all. So next for the grommet mounting. Grommet mounting material also metal, rubber, and plastic. Color black and silver same. The texture of this product is hard and smooth, and the function to hold monitor desk mount, which is same as before, and also easy to install. So but we have to remember we need the carriage bolt to install. That the size are 4.69 inch, and next locking plate and also butterfly nut. So how to install it? This is how to install. Just screw the carriage bolt and just put the lock plate, and also just screw it up the butterfly nut. So next for the cable bracket, this is the cable bracket for the NBG40. So the dimension of it is 3 inch times 0.75 inch times 1.56 inch, made fully plastic, color black, texture also hard and smooth. Function to hold and hide cable, or the main definition is to make it neat of the cable. So the benefit of using this, the cable arrangement. So how to install it? Easy. Just clip this part on the side of the C clamping, but remember we can use the cable bracket if we install the monitor arm using the desktop clamping or using the C clamp mounting. So next, the conclusion. There were three ways to use the product before this, which is first we have to install it and install the monitor arm, or install the monitor to the bezel plate, and the last one, set up any angle that we want as we wish to use. But this product also have its own advantages, which is the first one, heavy duty. Why? This is the first monitor arm that can hold a load up to 50 kg. Motion, it has 3 adjustable parts, and the price, mid-range product quality that only costs 178 ringgit. But the limitation also, it was less portability and also possibility of instability. So I think that's all from group 1. So there's number, Facebook, and email, so you can contact us anytime. So thank you.